Yep. Anna, what is it? Who came last night? Who? Say it louder. What is that? I guess he thought that you were a good girl and you listened to your mommy. Bubba, what is it? What's that?
Don't open it yet, Anna.
Anna, can you say Merry Christmas? Bubba, what is it? Look at it, Anna. What's it do? What does it do? Anna. Cassidy, look at it. Look, Anna.
Anna.
I'm jealous. You got a new ride for Christmas. Can you say Merry Christmas now? Whoa, Bubba, watch out! Crazy lady. You got your baby doll with you, huh?
Push the gas.
Bubba wants in now. Presents are under her Jeep. Okay, you hit the entertainment center.
Back up. Push the gas. Push it down. Pull it up. Pull it up and go forward.
She's running over a baby doll.
Push it up. Push this up.
Hold on.
Go forward.
What is it?
He wants to drop.
Your pretty bows and your pretty picture. Bubba, what are you doing? Oh, Lordy. Well, that doesn't look very safe.
Push it backwards, Anna.
Make it go backwards.
Push that pedal. Remember what I showed you? Push this. Get over here and sit down, boy. You can't drive. Play with the radio. Go backwards.
What did Santa bring you again?
A bus.
Do you like it? I don't think you need Mimi's lawnmower anymore, huh?
No.
No, because it goes by itself.
Click the button. This one. Down the way. Pull it up. Go forward. Go forward. Push the gas.
I think you just crashed again, girlfriend.